Hey, beautiful soul, ever feel like invisible weights are holding you back? No matter how hard you hustle, those old doubts and stories just won't let you go. By the end of this video, you are going to bust through at least one belief that has been pinning you down. Stick with me, and you will walk away with real tools to flip your story for good. Ready for a taste? Say this with me right now. Out loud, go on. I am shedding my limits. I am ready for something bigger. Feel that tiny spark? That's the new you calling. Namaskar. How are you all? I am your friend Nandita, and you are watching I am Nandita. Those voices telling you not good enough, or people like me can't fulfill or can't have big dreams. Those are called limiting beliefs. They are stubborn little gremlins that set up camp in our heads way back when, sometimes using the voices of well meaning parents, teachers, or even our own past mistakes. They are not facts, they are just old stories. And guess what? This is your life. You hold the pen. Let's do a bit of detective work, my dear friends. Grab a pen, or you may open your notes app as well and jot down those nagging thoughts that pop up when you dream big. I'm not smart enough. Money is hard. Things never work out for me. No shame, just notice them. Once you spot them, you can start to change the script. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Every time that tired story shows up, talk back. Who says, "Why not me?" Choose a new headline for your life. Actually, I am more than enough. Big things do happen to me. You are the director here. Write lines you will actually want to hear. Let's cement it. Repeat after me and feel it right from the core of your heart. I am rewriting my story page by glorious page. Doubt is just a detour. My dreams are the destination. I am worthy of wild, audacious success. The best chapters of my life are just beginning. Breathe those words in. Plaster them on your mirror. Make them your phone's wallpaper if you have to. The more you see them, the more you start to believe them. Here is your challenge. Catch one old belief today. Thank it for trying to protect you, and then show it the door. Rewrite it out loud with the new, bolder truth. If this spoke to you, hit like, subscribe, and drop in the comments. What limiting story are you breaking up with today? Let's light up the world together with our new limitless beliefs. You are unstoppable. Go shine.